Okay, I get it. You want to get back to it. You are ready for the new you, but you don't know where to begin. And I mean, where would you find the time, the support, a place to work out where you didn't feel self-conscious, and the right goals that you knew you could achieve? And while these are all very good questions, they shouldn't stop you from moving forward to the next level of glam bod that you are capable of. Now, I remember when I first started working out after years of eating cupcakes and sitting on the couch. I was finally fed up with myself, and I demanded a new version of me to rise out of the ashes. But even with that attitude, I still struggled with all the same things you do. Time was an issue because I worked a full-time job and I had a small child. So I committed to at least twice a week where I got up early, aka, I went to the gym at 5 a.m. Yikes, right? But it was only twice a week, so I knew I could handle it without feeling overwhelmed. And then I could still have my afternoons with my son. Secondly, I didn't have that much workout equipment at home, and I definitely didn't know what exercises to do. And I literally mean I knew nothing. And this was before I became a trainer and thought cardio was where it was at, right? I know better now. So I wound up hiring a trainer and paid through the nose for a gym membership and then the additional cost of a personal trainer. And I was still self-conscious going to the gym. I had cankles and I was overweight. And while I wanted to look like all those girls that you see in the magazines with the cute workout clothes or on Instagram, I more resembled a 90s tomboy wearing baggy clothes to cover up all the parts of me that I was ashamed of. And needless to say, I walked into the gym with a set of unrealistic goals, and if they weren't corrected, they could have shattered my progress. So I get it. I've been there. But after my own personal experience training with a trainer, and then after becoming a master trainer and training hundreds of women to reach their fitness goals, I can say that I've learned a lot. And I want to share that with you so that you can save the thousands of dollars that I spent and the countless hours learning the same lesson. Now for you, how can you overcome the obstacles so you can reach the success you desire? First, commit to working out. Carve out time for your workouts and do them no matter how you feel. By doing so, you will establish a level of respect and integrity with yourself, which in turn builds self-confidence. The second part of committing to time is to do what you know is achievable. You don't have to work out 7 days a week to get fit. That's a myth. So if you can commit to 2 days a week, start there. Second, I am a firm believer in being your own biggest fan. And in order to succeed on any level, you first have to believe you can. So pick yourself up by the bootstraps, dust off the past failures, forgive yourself, lose the guilt, and focus on where you are going. That means, first, what are you going to do to win today to lead you to the future you desire? Small steps lead to big victories. That is what consistency is. Small steps. Then celebrate your wins, no matter how small. And think on them throughout your day. So you want more wins in life? Focus on the wins that you are having now and sit down each night and generate happy feelings towards your accomplishments. That's what's going to drive your motivation and provide you with the fulfillment that you want as you keep moving from success to success. Next, your self-confidence is a reflection of your thoughts about yourself. So make a list of all the things that you are really great at, and then put all your focus on repeating those things to yourself. So maybe it sounds crazy, but there is no gain from thinking about all the mistakes you've made or all the things you aren't good at. You have amazing gifts and that were given just to you that only you can share with the world. I'm going to say this now and I'm going to repeat it. You are already enough. You are already enough. Say that to yourself until it gets embedded down deep into you and you believe it. Then believe it is true because it is. You are enough, you are always enough, and you will always be enough. So even if the world doesn't recognize it, the only person that really needs to believe it is you. Finally, it's time to set actionable goals that are achievable. It needs to be win-win. Set yourself up for success. Don't put yourself in a losing situation. By doing this, you will line yourself up for success after success. Remember, you are worth it. It's time to get your confidence back. It's time to win again. And what I've learned is it's not where you start, it's where you finish. And the reality is, you are never finished. You should always be striving to reach new, higher levels of yourself. Because part of life's journey is discovering just how far you can go. And I believe in you. And it's time you do too. Anyhow, I hope you found this helpful. And if you do, share it with a friend. They might need the boost as well. And don't forget to join me starting January 10th of 2022 for my free 3-week workout at home for beginners. Part of getting that dream body you have always wanted is preparing it properly to handle the workouts throughout the year. And that's exactly what this 3-week program is about. So find it here on my YouTube channel, Glamour Body Fitness. Bye.